1, 2, 3, lift.
Pull, push, pull, push. Okay, it's coming.
Yeah, we got it.
Got it, steady. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up! Watch the spring tension.
We rarely see them this bad. The corrosion here at the bulkhead and the exposed copper throughout the bundle made this entire system extremely unreliable. Fuel line clear. No. Up slow, watch the clearance.
It's clear, rolling back in it. Axle coming out, watch the brake line. Spring under tension, stand clear. Finally broke free. That was a tough one.
Last body mount, driver rear.
Up slow, level it out. The driver's side frame rail shows heavy pitting and rust breakthrough, especially around the number stamping. Previous impact damage is visible near the front left mount point.
Front fender is clear. Moving to the door jamb.
Roger. Still seeing some filler on the floor pan here.
Perfect base for metalwork.
As you can see, the metal here is paper thin. The flashlight confirms full perforation. We'll mark this entire section for replacement based on the structural integrity check.
Good bend, next one. Smooth, ready for filler.
We're checking the wheel opening alignment now. The gap looks good here.
How's the door jamb alignment?
It's within factory spec. We can mark the final trim lines.
Okay, check the gap at the front. We're sitting at 3/16. How does that look back there?
Almost there, a couple more hits.
All right, that's ready.
Getting flat, nice and straight.
Etch needs 30 minutes.
Third coat going on.
Coverage looks complete, ready for block sanding.
Yeah, just be covered with burger nice.
Perfect, consistent all around.
Looks good. We've ensured complete coverage on all the factory seams. Stand back from the tank. Keep your shields down and watch the solution level. 30 over on spec.
Number 3, main to spec.
Number 7 installed, one more to go. Perfect alignment. The timing is spot on. First pass 30, second pass 50, final pass 70. Both heads torqued to spec. Center, 1, 2. Second pass, center again, 3, 4. And the final bolt, intake sealed tight. Sealed up tight. Ready for oil. And feeler gauge shows 40 thou on the clutch pack. End play is 6 thousandths, right where we want it. 8 thousandths, perfect. These look fantastic. The gloss black is spot on and the durability is top notch. Ready for assembly. Upper control arm bolts, 75 foot-pounds. Lower control arm castle nut, confirmed at 120, cotter pin inserted.
Smooth steering movement, no binding.
Engine locked in solid.
Booth conditions perfect, let's paint.
Sealer needs 20 minutes.
First coat going on nice, building color. Full coverage, color looks perfect. All right, let it flash 15 minutes before clear.
Base is flashed, ready for clear.
First clear going on perfect, nice flow.
Second clear coat, perfect, liquid glass finish.
Temperature is stable at 140. We are maintaining optimal cure conditions across the charger body.
Perfect lines, no bleed.
Scratches cutting out nice, gloss coming back. Mirror finish, absolutely perfect.
A little more left, hold. Perfect.
Driver front torqued, moving to passenger front. All right, everything checks out. Factory correct. That's a perfect fit right there.
Pull that tight toward the rear. Keep the tension even.
Right here?
Yeah, that's perfect. Looks factory correct. How's the alignment by the A-pillar?
Looks good. Nice and flush now.
Perfect. Let's bolt her down.
Perfect. The gauges are fully operational.
Down slowly, a little more right.
Satisfied confirmation of proper installation without leaks.
Smooth operation, perfect alignment. Installation complete. Everything is to specification.
Okay, easy now. Watch the paint. Perfect. That looks factory fresh.
Absolutely perfect. The alignment on this Sublime Green is spot on. Grill locked in perfect, looks amazing. Headlights are fully operational and the aim is confirmed.
All right, all lighting functions are operational. Perfect alignment. That looks factory correct.
Looks perfect, that's factory correct. Oil full, transmission full, coolant full, we're ready. Battery connected, electrical system live, ready for startup. It's alive. Listen to that engine. Look at that paint in the sunlight, absolutely flawless.